Astaxanthin is often called one of the most powerful antioxidants in nature. But what actually happens inside your body when you take it? We hear about antioxidants all the time, but this one stands out. From the vibrant pink of a flamingo to the deep red of a salmon, this powerful compound is painting nature with its benefits. So let's dive deep and explore the journey of astaxanthin, from the moment it enters your body to the incredible ways it works to protect and enhance your health. First off, what exactly is astaxanthin? It's a naturally occurring pigment called a carotenoid. You might have heard of other carotenoids, like beta-carotene in carrots. Well, astaxanthin is in the same family, but it has a unique molecular structure that makes it exceptionally potent. Its primary source is a tiny microalgae called Haematococcus pluvialis. When this algae is stressed, say by a lack of water or too much sunlight, it produces massive amounts of astaxanthin as a survival mechanism to protect itself from damage. Think of it as the algae's own personal sunscreen and shield. This is where the food chain comes into play. Krill, shrimp, and other small crustaceans eat this algae, accumulating the astaxanthin in their bodies. Then, larger animals like salmon, lobster, and even flamingos eat these crustaceans, which is what gives them their distinctive reddish-pink hues. A wild sockeye salmon has its deep red color because of a diet rich in astaxanthin-loaded zooplankton. This pigment isn't just for show. It's believed to give these animals the incredible endurance they need for their long upstream journeys. And just like it protects the algae and strengthens the salmon, it can offer powerful protective benefits for us too. Humans can get astaxanthin by eating these seafoods, or more commonly, through dietary supplements derived directly from the microalgae. So, you've just taken an astaxanthin supplement or had a nice piece of wild salmon. What happens next? The journey begins in your digestive system. Because astaxanthin is fat-soluble, it's best absorbed when taken with a meal that contains some healthy fats, like avocado, nuts, or olive oil. The fats help your body break it down and prepare it for absorption. In your small intestine, it gets packaged into tiny particles called nacelles, which can then pass through the intestinal wall and enter your bloodstream. Once in the bloodstream, astaxanthin hitches a ride on lipoproteins, the same molecules that transport cholesterol and other fats around your body. This is where things get really interesting. Unlike many other antioxidants that might only work inside or outside the cell membrane, astaxanthin is special. Its unique, long-chain structure allows it to span the entire cell membrane, with parts of it anchored on the outside, inside, and through the middle. This gives it comprehensive protective coverage, guarding the entire cell from threats. It's like having a security guard who can simultaneously watch the front door, the back door, and the hallways all at once. This ability to integrate into every cell in the body, from your skin cells to your brain cells, is a key reason for its wide-ranging effects. Now let's talk about its main job, fighting free radicals. Every day, our bodies produce unstable molecules called free radicals as a byproduct of normal metabolism, and also from exposure to things like pollution, UV radiation, and stress. These free radicals are like tiny, out-of-control troublemakers that can damage cells, proteins, and DNA through a process called oxidative stress. This damage is linked to aging and a host of health problems. Antioxidants are our body's defense force against this damage. They work by neutralizing free radicals, donating an electron to stabilize them without becoming unstable themselves. But astaxanthin is a super antioxidant. Studies suggest it's significantly more powerful than many other well-known antioxidants. It can handle multiple free radicals at once, sometimes up to 19 at a time, in a process called electron dislocation. It grabs the free radicals and neutralizes them, but it never becomes a pro-oxidant itself, which is a risk with some other antioxidants. It simply dissipates the energy and is ready to fight again. This makes it an incredibly efficient and safe cellular protector. So, with this amazing antioxidant power, where do we see the benefits? Let's start with your skin, your body's largest organ. Your skin is constantly exposed to environmental aggressors, especially UV radiation from the sun, which is a major source of free radicals. This leads to sunburn, inflammation, and long-term damage like wrinkles and loss of elasticity. Astaxanthin, having made its way to your skin cells, acts like an internal sunscreen. It helps protect your skin from UV-induced damage and inflammation.
Studies have shown that supplementing with astaxanthin can improve skin moisture levels,
smoothness, elasticity, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It does this by quenching the oxidative stress that breaks down collagen, the protein that keeps our skin firm and youthful.
Next, let's move to your eyes.
Just like your skin, your eyes are highly exposed to light and oxygen, making them prone to oxidative damage. Many of us also spend hours staring at screens, leading to eye strain, fatigue, and dryness.
Astaxanthin is one of the few antioxidants that can cross the blood-retinal barrier, allowing it to accumulate in the retina of your eye.
Once there, it helps protect your eye cells from light-induced damage and inflammation.
Research suggests it can improve blood flow to the retina and help reduce symptoms of eye fatigue and strain.
It helps the ciliary muscle, which focuses your eyes, to recover faster, making it easier to switch focus and reducing that tired, gritty feeling in your eyes after a long day of work.
Now, what about for those of us who are active?
Whether you're a professional athlete or a weekend warrior, exercise, while incredibly healthy, also produces a surge of free radicals that can lead to muscle fatigue and soreness.
Astaxanthin has been studied extensively for its effects on exercise performance and recovery. Remember the salmon swimming upstream? It's thought that astaxanthin helps protect their muscle cells from oxidative stress, giving them incredible endurance.
In humans, studies have pointed to similar benefits.
It can help improve endurance by supporting your body's use of fat for energy, sparing your primary fuel source, glycogen.
This can lead to better stamina.
Furthermore, by reducing oxidative damage and inflammation in the muscles after a workout, astaxanthin can help decrease muscle soreness and speed up recovery time.
This means you can get back to your training faster and feel stronger. The benefits don't stop there. Let's talk about your brain. The brain is incredibly active, using about 20% of the body's oxygen, which also makes it highly vulnerable to oxidative stress. This oxidative damage is a key factor in cognitive decline as we age. Astaxanthin's ability to cross another important protective shield, the blood-brain barrier, is a game changer. This means it can enter the brain and central nervous system to exert its antioxidant effects directly where they are needed most. By protecting brain cells from oxidative damage, astaxanthin may help support cognitive function, including memory, attention, and information processing speed, especially in older adults. It essentially helps keep your brain cells healthier for longer. And of course, we can't forget the heart. Heart health is a cornerstone of overall wellness, and oxidative stress and inflammation are major players in the development of cardiovascular issues. Astaxanthin supports heart health in several ways. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties help maintain the health of your blood vessels. Furthermore, studies suggest it can help improve blood lipid profiles by reducing levels of bad LDL cholesterol and increasing good HDL cholesterol. By protecting LDL cholesterol from oxidation, a key step in the formation of artery-clogging plaques, astaxanthin helps support healthy blood flow and overall cardiovascular function. It's like a comprehensive support system for your entire circulatory system. So we've covered its journey and its incredible benefits for your cells, skin, eyes, muscles, brain, and heart. You might be wondering, is it safe? Astaxanthin has been consumed by humans for centuries through seafood. As a supplement, it has been extensively studied and is considered very safe for most people when taken at recommended dosages. It's derived from a natural food source, the microalgae, not synthesized in a lab. However, as with any supplement, it's always a wise idea to talk to your doctor or a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, have any underlying health conditions, or are taking other medications. They can help you determine if it's right for you and what dosage would be appropriate. In summary, when you take astaxanthin, you're introducing one of nature's most formidable protectors into your body. From its absorption with fats to its unique ability to guard every part of your cells, it works tirelessly to combat oxidative stress. This cellular level protection translates into tangible benefits that you can see and feel. From smoother skin and sharper vision to enhanced endurance and a healthier heart and brain. It is a remarkable example of how a tiny molecule from a microscopic algae can have such a profound impact on our health and well-being. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the world of astaxanthin. We hope you found this journey as fascinating as we did. What are your thoughts on this powerful antioxidant? Have you ever tried it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the science of health and nutrition, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.